Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of creating a new campaign in Salesforce. Salesforce campaigns are a powerful tool for tracking market initiatives, organizing leads and contacts, and measuring ROI. If you've ever wanted to know why campaigns are worth using and how to create them from scratch, this is the right video. So stick around after this video. We've got another video coming up at the end that shows you how to automate campaign member updates, report on campaign effectiveness, and reduce overall Salesforce costs, including a new program that allows you to earn rebate dollars on your Salesforce expense that you can use for consulting. But first, let's jump in. From anywhere in Salesforce, click on the app launcher, the 3x3, in the upper left corner. Search for and select campaigns. If you don't see the tab, your admin may need to add this to give you access or add it to your navigation bar. Inside the campaign tab, click the new button in the top right corner. This opens the new campaign creation screen. Now fill out the basic information for your campaign. Here are some of the key fields. The campaign name allows you to give your campaign a clear and descriptive name, something like Q4 Holiday Email Blast or Product Launch Webinar Series. The type field allows you to select what type of campaign this is. Is it email, webinar, trade show, etc.? The status field allows you to choose the current state of the campaign. Is it planned? Is it in progress? Is it completed? Or is it aborted? Start date and end date allow you to set the timeline or the duration of the campaign. Expected revenue estimates how much revenue you expect to generate. Budgeted and actual cost allows you to define useful information for ROI tracking. The description allows you to add internal notes or context for you and your team. Once you're done, click Save. And once your campaign is created, it's time to add leads or contacts as campaign members. You can do this by manually adding individuals from the campaign members related list on a lead or a contact, using a lead or contact report to mass add members to a campaign, or you can use automation tools like Process Builder or Flow to add members to a campaign based on certain criteria. You'll be able to track each member's response status like sent, opened, clicked, or responded, depending on how you've set up the campaign. If your marketing strategy includes multiple related campaigns, you can use campaign hierarchies to organize them. For example, a parent campaign might be Q3 2025 marketing with a child campaign like Q3 webinars, Q3 newsletters, Q3 paid ads, etc. This lets you roll up metrics like total budget and ROI to the parent campaign. And when campaign members become part of opportunities, you can track how much revenue was influenced by your campaigns. This is known as campaign influence. It's a great way to tie marketing efforts directly to revenue and prove the value of your strategy. So you've successfully created a new campaign in Salesforce. Campaigns are a vital part of any Salesforce-powered marketing strategy, helping you organize efforts, track responses, and measure performance in one place. Now, we've just scratched the surface today, so on the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that will walk you through 3 strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce costs, including details about a Salesforce rebate program that allows you to earn dollars on your license investment and use that for consulting. So please check out how to maximize the Salesforce video at the end and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take your Salesforce experience to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.